Hey guys, I'm Tammy and welcome back to my channel. If I sound a bit nasally in this video, it's because I have really bad hay fever and it's really annoying. But I really wanted to come on today and share everything that I made in June. June was honestly another really great month. I released my Naya t-shirt pattern and it's been really well received in the sewing community. Honestly, I'm so happy with seeing everyone make their own versions. I'm actually wearing one today and honestly it's become such a staple piece in my wardrobe because every day I don't really want to wear dresses, so I like wearing and making clothing that's actually functional in my everyday. So t-shirts get regularly worn throughout the week and this one just works really well. But let me show you one of the first things that I made in June that I actually really like. So it's this self-drafted top. It looks like this. It kind of looks like a bikini top, but it's actually made out of woven fabric. It's not stretchy. The back is elasticated like this. And then the front has this really cute tie detail at the front of the bust and it looks really nice. I honestly love how this looks in photos and it really does wear beautifully. It's such a nice color. I really like the striped fabric as well. So this is actually a self-drafted set that I made with my henna shorts pattern as like a co-ord set and I really love how it looks together. This is definitely in one of my future pattern idea makes. I'm just not sure if I want to do it this summer. I think I might look at this next summer or next spring. But it was such a fun little thing to make. I think this is my first draft of the pattern and it turned out really well. I think I'm probably just going to put this to one side and focus on other pattern ideas that I want to bring to life first. So looking back at my makes, I've realised I've sewn quite a lot of tops in June. I don't know why I've been sewing tops recently. I think I just find them really easy to throw on. And this brings me to my next thing that I made in June. And this is actually going to be my next sewing pattern. So it's a V-neck camisole and it's just super easy to throw on and it's very comfortable. I'm currently just in the phase of honing and refining this pattern. It looks really good and I've already tested it on a few people. But I want to do a few more tests and actually illustrate the instructions, so that's going to take a bit of time. So I'm hoping to release this month, but I'm not sure how realistic that is. But I honestly know you guys are going to love this pattern. The V-neck is super cool. If I just show you a close-up, it looks like this. So it's finished really lovely from the front and then it just works really well and sits on your neckline really nicely. So I can't wait for you guys to try this method of sewing a V-neck. It is actually a really easy hack, so it's not complicated at all. And I just know you guys are gonna love this pattern. I was thinking as well that tank top would make such a nice dress version, so I definitely will include how you can hack that or maybe actual pattern pieces to turn it into a dress because I think it's going to be such a nice simple classic piece in your wardrobe. This is a knit sewing pattern. I have tried it with a woven fabric before and it does look okay. I just think it looks the best in knit fabric, so I think I will recommend in the pattern to only sew this with knit fabrics. If you're kind of scared of using knit fabrics, I do have sew-alongs for each of my patterns and the Naya t-shirt is a knit pattern and I know quite a few beginners have sewn this for the first time using knit fabric and they've been completely fine, so I would definitely recommend trying sewing with knits. And if you're looking for something really easy and quick to sew, this might be another tank top to add to your wardrobe. Then the other thing that I sewed this month is this really cute sheer dress. So I actually have a sew along YouTube tutorial on how you can draft and sew this dress yourself. I honestly wear sheer dresses all the time. I find them super comfortable because you elasticate the waist and the bust. It just fits beautifully over the body. It's very comfortable. It's not really form-fitting because you have in this version a gathered skirt and then also a gathered ruffle at the bottom. So if you want to see how to make this dress, I'll leave a link down below on the YouTube video tutorial. I've had a lot of people ask me where this fabric is from. So as you can see, it has this really lovely daisy gingham fabric detail. This was actually from a market in Berlin where I got the fabric from because I used to live in Berlin. So the local markets had such great fabric and I remember this being like €3 a meter or something like that. So really crazy. I think this dress in total cost me less than £10 to make and it just really works beautifully with like a sheared style dress. I've worn this at home, but I've not worn it out and about yet. I think every time for some reason, I just gravitate towards my rear dresses. I just throw them on, they're super easy to wear. This is also obviously easy to wear, but you know when you have dresses that you really like in your wardrobe and you just kind of want to wear them over and over again, I need to kind of push myself and try things in my wardrobe that already look really nice and are comfortable to wear and just try wearing them out a bit more. But if you're looking for a really easy project, this is definitely for you. If you want to try shearing, you've never done it before, I show you exactly how to recreate this dress and I think you'll love it. Oh, I forgot one thing I also did sew in June, and I've not really posted much about it. I think I posted a reel on Instagram, but I made this one shoulder crop top. It looks like this. It's actually a bit long. I tucked it in when I was taking photos, and I really like this pattern. So this is another self-drafted make and possibly a future pattern if people want it, but it's super easy and comfortable to wear. I also like the one shoulder details, so it just slips on and it's really form-fitting. It looks really nice with a skirt and even with a pair of jeans. I also love this blue fabric that I found. I think it's from myfabrics.co.uk. I think it's a viscose jersey. I'll leave a link down below. But it's such a nice texture and weight for a crop top. Let me know if you want a pattern for this. I've not actually worked on it any more than just making a size 8, which is what this is. It's a cute staple and I think people do want it. It's just I have so many pattern ideas in my head at the moment. I think I'm working on like 3 or 4 patterns at once, and I think I like that kind of way of working, but then I find it really hard to prioritize what I want to release first. But I am going to release my V-neck tank top definitely this month or middle next month. Maybe this will come after, I'm not sure, but it was really fun to make. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I made in June. I honestly love just prioritizing maybe future pattern releases and things like that, and just sewing for fun rather than actually having to come up with things. Again, apologies if I sound super manly and nasally. I probably do, I think I do. But what can you do? Hay fever is real. It's actually really dark and gloomy today. I'm not even sure why my hay fever is so bad, but I guess it's summer, so we will see if this goes away. It might even be a cold, I'm not sure. How can you even differentiate from hay fever and a cold? Hopefully with some rest and sewing, it will go away. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you're making this month. I kind of want to see what else I want to make this month. I have actually just sewn a Vicky Sews dress that I'm going to post today or tomorrow. It's made out of a pink linen and it looks gorgeous. It's actually from Minerva. I'll leave a link down below on that fabric link because it's super, super cool. There's just so many things I want to make, honestly. I have a long list of like 20 things I want to make like in the next month, which obviously isn't doable. Let me know your tips on how you prioritize what you want to sew next, because I find that really difficult. I just have so many ideas, so many fabric pieces, and I just need a way to figure out what I want to sew without kind of overwhelming myself. But thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.